Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee and you are watching my channel Dr. Subrata Mukherjee Distance Learning in Commerce. Today we are going to discuss another problem on insurance claim, and this is a problem on loss of stock. This is lecture number 3 and you can see the other lecture in the playlist section of the channel. I would like to request all the viewers to subscribe my channel and to browse the playlist section of the channel where you can find lectures on accounts, costing, financial management and management accounting. Fire occurred in the premises of A & Company on 1st September 2022 and stock of the value of rupees 1,01,000 was salvaged and the business books and records were saved. The following information was obtained. Purchases for the year ended 31st March 2022, 7 lakh. Sales for the year ended 31st March 2022, 11 lakh. Purchases from 1st March 2022 to 1st September 2022 is 2,40,000. Sales from 1st March 2022 to 1st September 2022, 3,60,000. Stock on 31st March 2021, 3 lakh. Stock on 31st March 2022, 3,40,000. Further information is also given that the stock on 31st March 2022 was overvalued by rupees 20,000. Purchases and sales occur evenly over the months. Calculate the amount of the claim to be presented to the insurance company in respect of losses, rate of gross profit to be based on the year ended 31st March 2022. So this is the problem of insurance claim where loss of stock is to be determined. So for this purpose, we need to determine what was the value of stock on the date of fire. To determine the value of stock on the date of fire, we have to prepare the trading account for the previous year. Then we have to determine the rate of gross profit for the previous year and the trading account from the first day of the current year to the date of fire. And the closing stock will be calculated as a balancing figure. So let us proceed. So this is the trading account we have to prepare first. So trading account for the year ended 31st March 2022. So we have the debit side and the credit side. So the opening stock was given as 3 lakh rupees. So this is the stock on 1st April 21. It is given in the question that the stock on 31st March 2021 as 3 lakh. So the value of the stock on 1st April 2021 will be taken as rupees 3 lakh. Then purchases for the year ended 31st March 2022 is given as 7 lakh. So here I will write to on 31st March 22. You can see this is the date we are preparing the trading account. So purchase account, this will be 7 lakhs. The sales for the year ended 2022, 31st March 2022 is rupees 11 lakh. So we have to take here as 11 lakh. The sales is 11 lakh for the year ended 31st March 2022. And on the same day, the closing stock given is rupees 3,40,000. But in the question it is given that the value of stock on 31st March 2022 was overvalued by 20,000. So your closing stock will be taken at actual, that is 3,20,000. So 3,40,000 is the closing stock given on 31st March 2022 and this amount is overvalued by rupees 20,000. So the closing stock on 31st March 2022 is 3,20,000. So your gross profit is the balancing figure, which is rupees 4,20,000. So on the credit side, the total is 14,20,000, and the total of debit side will also be 40,000, and 4,20,000 is the balancing figure. So this is step number 1. So you have to first calculate what is the trading account. You have to prepare the trading account for the previous year. Now you have to calculate what was the gross profit, rate of gross profit. So the rate of gross profit you have to determine. So rate of gross profit is equal to 4,20,000. So this was the amount of gross profit for the previous year. And what is the amount of sales? This is 11 lakh. So gross profit by sales into 100. So this is the rate of gross profit. So you will get 38.18%. So this is step number 2. Now we will prepare the trading account for the current year to the date of fire. So here I am writing trading account. So basically this is step number 3. Account for the period from 1st April 22 to 1st September 22. So this is the first day of the current financial year, and this is the date when the fire took place. So the closing stock for 31st March 2022 will be taken as the opening stock here. So the opening stock will be 3,20,000. Now it is given in the question that the purchases from 1st March 2022 till 1st September is 2,40,000. So purchase, you have to calculate from what is the amount of purchase from 1st April. So 2,40,000 is the amount of purchase for 6 months. But you have to calculate what is the amount of purchase for 5 months, because this 2,40,000, this is the amount of purchase from 1st March 2022 till 1st September 2022. But we need to calculate what is the amount of purchase from 1st April 2022 till 1st September 2022. And this will be 2 lakh. Similarly, you have to calculate what is the amount of sales from 1st April 2022 till date of fire. It is given in the question that 3,60,000 is the amount of sales from 1st March 2022. So this will be 3,60,000 into 5 by 6. So this 3,60,000, which is the amount of sales for 6 months, but you need to determine what is the sales from 1st April. So the amount and the period from 1st April to 1st September is for 5 months. So 3,60,000 sales is for 6 months. What is the sale for 5 months? So you will get 3 lakhs. We have already calculated the gross profit rate. So here you will apply the gross profit rate to determine the amount of profit made on this amount of sales, that is 3 lakh. So your gross profit will be calculated at 3 lakh. Now you need to multiply it with the rate of gross profit, which is 38.18%. So your profit, gross profit is 1,14,540. 6,34,540 is the sum of the debit side. 6,34,540. Here you can write, and the amount of closing stock will be calculated at balancing figure, and the amount of closing stock will be 3,34,540. So this is step number 3, and finally you need to calculate what will be the amount of claim from the insurance company. So here I am writing amount of claim from insurance company. So estimated stock on 1st September 2022 is 3,34,540 less salvage is 1,01,000. So your claim will be 2,33,540. So this is basically the gross claim. So in this question, the amount of sum insured is not given. So here this is final. That is, this is the amount of claim from the insurance company. Hope the students have recorded the solution in your notebook. And if you find any difficulty, please contact me through email which I have given in the description box. Thank you. Thanks for watching the lecture.